Everyone, welcome back to Table Topic video series, and the table topic is my favorite season of the year. My favorite season of the year. This topic is about finding your favorite season where you feel most comfort or where you enjoy that season. Maybe for like there can be many reasons for yeah, uh, enjoying your favorite season. And if you ask me, for me, the favorite season of the year is when the winter subsides and then we are entering into the summer zone. We are not fully entered and we are not fully living, and the winter hasn't fully left. So that period, what it has is that it has a really good temperature where you can walk around the city, you can uh, explore the areas. So that kind of weather I really like, and that also gives me reason to explore the internal parts of the cities, because in the high winter what happens is that in the full winter, like when the winter season is fully on, uh, cold makes you not to go out of your room, right? I'm not even talking about the city. So that is what happens. But when the winter subsides and when the really this weather comes up, and when another aspect that I like about the winter is that winter is the time when most of the good dishes you can eat. And in my hometown, like, there are several such dishes where which you can eat only during winter. So that's the thing that I like about the winter. But after a winter sufficiently subsides, so but when it's a full winter mode on, I really don't like it at all. I just like the transition period, because you are in comfort zone, you are not feeling, you know cold, and you are not feeling hot as well. So that is why I like this season. To sum it up, my favorite season of the year is the transition period between the winter and the summer. That period doesn't have too much cold and hot as well. So that in that period I can explore the cities, these other parts uh, of the city, the internal parts of the city as well. And I also get to eat lot of dishes around that time as well. So that's it. Thank you.